Hello, would you like to know how to add a Gmail account on your Android phone? Do you also want to learn how to switch accounts in your Android phone? If you also want to learn how to delete accounts, Gmail accounts from your Android phone, you're in the right video because I'm going to be teaching you how to do all three. How to add as much email as you can, how to switch accounts, and also how to delete accounts from your Android phone. If this is something you like, and you find this video educative, do subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let me proceed. As you can see, I'm on my screen. So first of all, there are many ways you can do it. You can do it through your Gmail account or through your Google account. So I'll scroll up right now. Now, so you can see I've gone to Gmail. Now, here I have two email here. You touch this one, you see this is my first email. This button down, you see my second email. Now this is me switching accounts. Currently, all emails on this phone will be this first one. But if I want to check the emails or switch to this Google account, I will tap on this one and it will switch. Now I am on my second account. This is me switching. But before you can be able to switch accounts, you go back here. You have to first of all learn to add accounts. Now I'll come down here again. Now right here you see use without any accounts, add another account or manage accounts on this device. Now, as you can see, if I want to add a new account to this Android device, I'll tap here, add another account, and it will take me to a place where I can add another Google account. I have to verify with my fingerprint. Now it is loading. You have to wait for it to load. Now, right here, if I assuming I have another Gmail account, I can just enter my email here, then click next. Then I'll add my password. It will verify me and another account will be added. If I don't have and I want to create a fresh one, I will click create accounts. For personal use or business, anyone, depending on what you want the account for, you can tap and it will start the registration process. But that's not what I want to do now. So I believe you get the idea. It's either you log in an account you already have or you create a new one. Then when you are done, let me go back. When you are done, the moment you finish your registration, you will come here, you click on this button and all the accounts you have will be listed here. So far I believe we've learned how to add more accounts and how to switch accounts. If I go to my Gmail here, now I am currently on this email here. If I want to check the email of the other accounts, same process. I will click here, it will take me here and I can switch in between my accounts. Now if you have too many accounts and you want to remove them, you have to, this is the process of how to remove accounts. So if I will say delete accounts, you come here, manage accounts. Now this is Google, this is all the accounts I have. So far I have two accounts here. Let's take for instance, I want to remove this second one. I'll tap on it and here I have the option of removing this account. The moment I click this account now, this account will no more be on my Android device. For me to access this account or to access the emails in this account again, I will have to add it again. So I believe that by the end of this video, you might have learned three things: how to add a new Gmail account, how to switch from one Gmail account to another Gmail account, especially when you want to check your emails, or even you for YouTube, you can also use it in YouTube. Let's assume you want to comment on a video with another account. You can also do the same process. It is still the same process. Let me take you to YouTube. And when you get to YouTube, YouTube is the same process. I'll go back here. I think I was watching something before. You see down here, you see you. Now you come here. These ones are for accounts in YouTube. Now this account is for one of my emails. Now if I switch to the other account, in Gmail and I come here, I will not see this account again. But this one is just for channels. I can switch channels here. All the channels I have just two. So that is it, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this mini tutorial. If you learned something, like and share this video. And once again, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you.